Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The reason I'm taking this video is because I'm the first time owner of a Volkswagen Jetta SE 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. When I got the car, it's running fine, the engine is running smooth, running fine, but because I'd sprayed engine degreaser, and then I rinsed it without running the engine hot. So a couple weeks later, then it's the RPM is running rough, and the engine is going to die. So I have tried to replace the spark plugs and the spark plug booth. Still doesn't solve the problem, and I did change the air filter. It doesn't change the problem. I changed the oil and doesn't solve the problem. So for those of you who are a Volkswagen fan, please leave me a comment and tell me how to fix it. Give me some ideas, because I'm a fan of Toyota and Hondas, and I'm not a fan of Volkswagen, and I do need help. So let me start the engine and to see, so that whoever is watching this video, you can see what I'm talking about, and then hopefully give me an idea how to troubleshoot this and fix this car so my daughter gets to drive the car. Here, start the engine. Is it running fine? Okay, the idle is fine. And then as soon as it gets a little warm, then the RPM is going up and down, and looks like the engine is going to shut down. There's no code. Okay, it drops to 75, and then now it starts to happen. There you go. So at this point, I have no idea what's going on. The engine is going to die. It's going to shut down. So I have no idea, no clues about Volkswagen. There's no code, so I don't know how to fix it. If anybody of you who's watching this video, please give me ideas, or give me a link to find out more information on which needs to be taken care to solve this problem. Thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day.